Hi friends, this is Nageshwar. Welcome to my channel ITbird143. In this tutorial, I will show how to add special tags like horizontal rule and adding tags for font styles without using CSS in HTML. In my webpage, I have created different sections like introduction, India sprite containing the images, activities, and I want to separate them using horizontal rule. Horizontal rule defines as a thematic break used whenever we are adding new topic or want to make a distinct section in our web page so that users find that this is a separate topic. Open web page using Notepad++. Come to body section. After introduction, I want to add a horizontal rule. Please type HR space / and after my images, I want to create another horizontal rule, HR space / After this, come to file and please save the project. Open the web page and please reload this. Now we got two horizontal lines across the page. This is very much useful when we are preparing a website like Amazon, eBay, and so on, because in that every item displayed in the distinct section. After this, I want to add some text styles without using CSS. In the introduction, I want to add bold and italic font styles to some text. Here I want to make itbird143.com in bold letters and welcome to my website in italic font. Again, come to the Notepad++. For adding bold letters to specific text, please type strong before the text, and after the text please add closing tag for strong. Now please save the file, come to web page, please reload this. Now we got the bold letters to itbird143.com. Similarly, for adding italic font styles, again come to HTML code and before the text please add em, and after the text please add closing tag for em. Please save the project. Now come to the web page, please reload this. Now we have successfully added bold and italic styles for the text in the web page. Like this, we can add special tags like horizontal rule and adding tags for font styles without using CSS in HTML. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please click on like button and please share this video with your friends. And please visit my channel ITbird143 to watch more latest uploaded videos. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you friends. Have a nice day.